Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. Today, July 22nd, we are covering the top 5 Indian stocks making the biggest moves across IT and technology, pharma, banking and financials, auto, energy and power, one standout name from each sector. Let us break down today's biggest sector movers, one at a time. First up in IT and technology. Infosys is down -1.99%, trading at 1,052.10 Indian rupees. Investor sentiment is being shaped by stock market today. Dow, S&P 500, NASDAQ futures slide with Alphabet, Tesla earnings on deck, Yahoo Finance. The Cobalt AI deal pipeline is growing, but revenue conversion takes 6 to 12 months. Near-term earnings momentum depends on existing account mining. Watch for any guidance revision commentary ahead of the quarterly earnings. The whisper is that the management has become more conservative than warranted. Moving to pharma. Dr. Reddy's is down -1.92%, trading at 1,182.80 Indian rupees. Equity markets are responding to reports that stock market today, Dow, S&P 500, NASDAQ futures slide with Alphabet, Tesla earnings on deck, Yahoo Finance. After today's weakness, the 1,147.32 Indian rupees area is the first meaningful support level to watch for Dr. Reddy's. A stabilization there would be the first sign that sellers are losing conviction. This is our analytical view, not investment advice. Moving to banking and financials. SBI is down -1.86%, trading at 1,025 Indian rupees. Equity markets are responding to reports that RBI's foreign currency deposit scheme for NRIS explained India today. Return on equity improvement, now approaching 15%, is the re-rating story that has driven the stock higher. Government infrastructure capex lending is a low-risk, high-volume growth engine. Any NPA reversal or write-back announcement would be a positive. Moving to auto. Tata Motors dropped sharply -1.83% to 327.70 Indian rupees. Equity markets are responding to reports that stock market today, Dow, S&P 500, NASDAQ futures slide with Alphabet, Tesla earnings on deck, Yahoo Finance. India passenger vehicle market share and EV penetration, particularly Nexon EV, is the domestic growth story. JLR's transition to full BEV by 2030 requires significant capital but positions the brand well. Any update on the next-generation JLR platform timeline would be a catalyst. Moving to energy and power. ONGC is trading higher by +0.80%, at 251.90 Indian rupees. The move follows reports that S&P 500, NASDAQ, Dow futures ease as oil rally tempers RE optimism ahead of big tech earnings. SMKI, Oklo, XE, SKHY, Guggen Focus, TradingView. ONGC is in a consolidation phase, a pattern that can precede a significant directional break. Watch the 256.94 Indian rupees resistance and 246.86 Indian rupees support as the boundaries of the current range. Now let us zoom out to the broader macro picture for Indian markets. The rupee is weakening against the dollar, trading at 96.56, which matters for import and export-heavy sectors alike. Foreign institutional investor flows remain the key swing factor for Indian equities in the sessions ahead. Let us close with the key events and catalysts on our radar. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. We do the research so you do not have to hours of analysis distilled into actionable daily briefings. If that is valuable, please hit the like button. It is the single best way to support independent market analysis and help us reach more investors. Subscribe and turn on notifications for tomorrow's briefing. Drop your view in the comments. Are you bullish or bearish from here? Thanks for watching MTRS_Market Pulse. Nothing here constitutes financial advice. Please conduct your own due diligence. Good luck in the markets, and we will see you in the next video. That is today's top 5 Indian stocks from MTRS_Market Pulse. Subscribe for daily sector-wise coverage of Indian and global markets.